So Laplace transform of periodic functions. This is the Laplace transform of periodic function f of t with period p is given by 1 upon 1 minus e raised to minus sp integration 0 to p from 0 to p e raised to minus st f of t dt. So the Laplace transform of periodic function is given by this formula: 1 upon 1 minus e raised to minus sp, where p is the period of the function, multiplied by integration from 0 to p e raised to minus st f of t dt. Example: find the Laplace transform of the function f of t defined by f of t is equals to 3 when t is between 0 and 2, and is equals to 0 when t is beyond 2 and less than 4. F of t plus 4 is equals to f of t. So from here we can easily define p is equals to 4. The period of the function is 4, and if this information was not given, then from here we can also see that from 0 to 4, so p will be the upper limit minus lower limit, that will be 4 minus 0, 4, and f of t is 3 and 0 for 0 to 2 and for 2 to 4. Therefore Laplace of f of t, this f of t is the periodic function. The Laplace of periodic function is given by 1 upon 1 minus e raised to minus sp 0 to p e raised to minus st f of t dt. So this will be 1 upon 1 minus e raised to minus sp, but here p is 4, so minus 4s 0 to 4 e raised to minus st and r f of t dt. Which will be equal to 1 upon 1 minus e raised to minus 4s, then we will split the integral into parts from 0 to 2 e raised to minus st, and for that function is 3, the value of function is 3 dt, plus from 2 to 4 e raised to minus st, and for that function's value is 0 dt. So this will be 1 upon 1 minus e raised to minus 4s and this will be e raised to minus st 3 upon minus s 0 to 2. This will be 1 minus e raised to minus 4s 3 e raised to minus 2s upon minus s minus 3 e raised to 0 upon minus s. This will be 1 upon 1 minus e raised to minus 4s. This will be, I am writing this one first, so 3 upon s minus 3 e raised to minus 2s upon s, and this will be 3 1 minus e raised to minus 4s into s 1 minus e raised to minus 2s. So this will be 3 upon s 1 minus 1 plus, see here 1 minus e raised to minus 2s, and I am using here a square minus b square is equals to a plus b, a minus b. Is equals to a plus b, a minus b. So a plus b, that will be 1 plus e raised to minus 2s into a minus b, 1 minus e raised to minus 2s. So this e raised to minus 2s and this will cancel out, and we will have 3 upon s 1 plus e raised to minus 2s. Therefore our Laplace of f of t, the periodic function will be, the Laplace of periodic function will be 3 upon s 1 plus e raised to minus 2s. This is the answer.